today the tailbone is kind of rocked back. As a society, we sit a lot, so a lot of people have a lot of issues in that low back